Here we have the Registry, large display, stereo, CD, alarm clock radio with headphone jack. Fall asleep to your favorite CD or radio program and listen discreetly through the built-in headphone jack. Yes, a headphone jack on a clock radio. That's hard to find. Large display screen for clock and radio tuner. 1.2-inch red LED time display with brightness dimmer control. Top loading CD player. Programmable sleep timer. Fall asleep to CD or radio. Duration up to 59 minutes. Wake to CD, radio, or alarm buzzer. Bass boost control, easy to use top mounted control buttons, AM FM stereo radio, large top mounted snooze function, AC adapter included, quality made by Registry.